Thiess is a global mining contractor. We've been mining since the early 1940s. We have mines currently in Australia, Indonesia, Mongolia and South Africa. We currently have a turnover of roughly $4 billion. Our WAN optimisation fleet was ageing. We decided to go to market to replace those. We'd been working with DD for quite some time, so we partnered with DD and pretty much gave them our technical requirements and business requirements and asked them to go away and review the market for us. We really wanted to drop the capital costs and the operating costs. We wanted to simplify the ICT support model. Dimension Data led a top-down consultative approach to uncovering the right solution for Thiess. It's incumbent on us to be the trusted advisor for Thiess in this manner, to ensure that they get a solution that fits their particular needs. We used a solutions to services lifecycle approach, which is really an end-to-end process from early engagement through to architecture, business requirements, through to the planning phase where we look at the solution options, and then through to our operational management. Riverbed was the closest match to our business and technical requirements. There really wasn't a vendor near Riverbed. I think they sort of met 99% of our technical requirements and business requirements, where the other vendors were closer to sort of 60 to 70%.
Essentially, they wanted to consolidate data, or given the option to consolidate data at a future point. But they wanted to be able to give better performance to applications that they deliver today from their current data centre environment across a very large global network. And they wanted to be able to give a consistent end user experience in those applications, to be able to report on that. And then they wanted to be able to get savings by reducing the data footprint that's actually out in those remote sites. So we rolled out the technology to roughly 93 sites, and that would sort of cover 5,000, 5,500 users. We were able to consolidate essentially two boxes into one, reduce our maintenance costs by around 63% across our sites, which is a significant saving. By reducing that, we were able to essentially fund the project.
And at the end of that, we had the reporting product, which gave reports like I've never seen before. Well, kind of dreamed about having on the network, but never really had, because generally those reporting products cost an absolute fortune. But with this holistic approach that Dimension Data and Riverbed, to their credit, came back with, it was just what we wanted, just what we needed. And it's made our life a lot easier since. Instead of spending money on maintenance, we're able to spend money innovating on new technologies. Innovation, that's the key, and driving down the cost.